Tonight on KTCS News, we bring a rather baffling report from Tambarinie Bay. As you know, Hurricane Kaiogre just passed through Tambarinie Bay and the surrounding areas. It was a Category 5 hurricane. Now, the result of the hurricane was fatal and very tragic. Over 42 people died, mostly from drowning, and another 50 people were injured. The hurricane cost $15 billion in damage. We will rebuild our society, and we will live on. We may have lost tens of people, but we're not down yet. We will rebuild our society, and we will live on. And it is now safe to return to your homes in Tambarinie Bay, but beware of the flooding. Thank you. Until next time, I'm James Barth on KTCS News.